Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Vidyanambam Academics. Education starts here. Today, I came back to you to teach you important question and answers from Lesson 10, Safety and First Aid, Class 4, Subject Science. Now, we are dealing with the important question and answers because already we have completed our all the lessons in the Class 4. No, Class 4, Subject Science, and the textbook name is New Science Ahead. Okay, now the first question: name two things at home that are useful but dangerous if used carelessly. Okay, so that is very easy. So the first answer is fire, electricity and sharp knives. These are used in the kitchen, no? So he asked us, write only name two things at home that are useful but dangerous if used carelessly. That is, you can write fire and knives or fire and electricity. Those are present at home but they are very dangerous, and if used carelessly, they will harm us a lot, especially to you, to the small children. Okay, this is for 2 marks. And if it is for the 4 marks, you have to elaborate it and write like in the points given in the textbook. Never play with knives and other sharp tools. Ask an adult to teach you how to use them properly. Sorry. Always use them in the presence of an adult. Do not go near fire or hot ovens and toasters. Wearing synthetic clothes. Matchsticks can be dangerous. Do not play with them. Do not use the electric gadgets by yourself. Electric gadgets, wires, plugs and sockets can give you a shock if you are careless. So this is for 5 marks. What I told you just now, all the points, you can write it for the 4 or 5 marks. Only just write the point answer, only 2 points, that is the 2 words, that is fire, electricity, or fire, sharp knives, or electricity, sharp knives, for this first answer. Next, moving on to the second question. What are the main dangers in the bathroom? You all small children spend a lot of time in bathroom, no? Yes, correct. So, what are all the main dangers in the bathroom? Then when we are discussing the lesson only, I told you, again I'll tell you, the main dangers in the bathroom are, it is mainly from the slipping floor, on the wet floor, and from the electric gadgets such as the water heaters, geysers. See, in the water heaters, geysers, everything will be there in the bathroom only, no? And the floor will be slippery. Why? Because we bathe in the bathroom, correct? And this potty also will be there in that. That is, the white basin also will be there in that. So in the bathroom only 2-in-1 it is useful for bathing also and for going to the washroom. Both the things will be there. So the floor will be all the time wet only. It cannot be dry. So we should be very careful. And we should be careful in the shower also when we are showering, so that you can slip and fall also. Okay. Never touch an electric switch with wet hands or while standing barefoot on the wet floor. You might get a shock. Because in the bathroom you have geysers, water heaters, no? When you on or off the switch with in the bathroom with the wet floor, on the wet floor without any slippers or with a barefoot, you may cause with a shock. So all this thing elaborately you should write for the 4 marks, and write the point wise, only 1 point for the 2 marks. The main dangers in the bathroom are wet floor and from electric gadgets such as water heaters, geysers. That much is enough for the 2 marks. Now next question: what safety rules will you follow if you have to cross a road? Yes, we have discussed so much on this in the lesson, but now you should write it in short for 2 marks. Always walk on the footpath and not on the road. That is the first safety rule. Second one is cross the road only at the zebra crossings. Obey the traffic rules. Look both the ways to check if the vehicles are approaching before you to cross the road. Never run across the road. This is the second point. So for 2 marks, write this much. For 5 marks, how much you will write? While riding a bicycle, keep to the left and obey the traffic signals. Signal before you turn or stop. And never play on the road, and cross the road only on the zebra crossings. This much you should write for the 4 or the 5 marks. Okay. So you can see the pictures given in the textbook. I want to just show you to remind you. Okay, children, clear? So this is it. Now, moving on to the next question. What is first aid? So what is first aid? First aid is an immediate care given to a person when he or she is injured or suddenly falls sick. That is only first aid. That is enough. This will be given only for 2 marks. You can't give this for the 5 marks. Okay? Next question 5. What will you do to help your friend who has a minor burn on his or her hand? This is the last question. What can you do? These minor burns can be treated at the home only, children. So that is the first point you should write. For a minor burn, we should keep it under a cold water. First, that affected area is there, no, that we should keep it under a cold running water and for 10 minutes, and do not apply ice or butter on that. And if there is no injury, you may apply an aloe vera gel or lotion. And if you feel that their injury is more, then you have to take to the doctor. That is what you should do for the minor injuries. Okay, children, this is for 2 marks. If it is given for the 4 marks, this answer, you should write a minor burn is one in which a small area of skin becomes red. If large area becomes red, if blisters develop, or if the skin turns black, the burn is a serious one. That point you should add. Then you will get the full 4 marks. Okay, children? And now for this lesson, I will give you more questions. Just remember and read the textbook. In the textbook, you have everything. Next, what questions he can give? That is, what are the small cuts, and then explain about the nosebleeds, then insect bites, then fainting. All these things will be given in questions can be given. That answers are, everything is very short and sweetly given in the textbook. You can go through and write, and you can get full marks. And more questions important are safety at school, safety at play, then around the house, what are the safety measures? Okay, so what are the safety rules? That is the first question he can give you. For that, what will be the answer? That is, most of the accident can be avoided if all of us are careful and follow the simple safety rules. The accident can happen anywhere, in the kitchen, on the stairs, in the playground, on the road and the other places. Accident mostly happen when we are careless. So most accident can be avoided if all of us are careful and follow the simple safety rules. So that is what you can write for what are the safety rules. If he is giving you that, you have to mention like this and write. Okay, children? Just now I explained, you know. And then in the safety rules, you have many things. Safety at home, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, around the house, safety at school, safety at play, safety on road. All these things separate we discussed now in this lesson. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and share this with your friends also who are in need. And for class 4, especially the students of class 4, you can give them nicely. They can go through my videos nicely. They will get good information. And just if they go through the textbook, they'll get good information, and it will be, explanation will be very good. And these are the question answers, important question answers in lesson 10. Please share this to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give good views also, children. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.